still had some wobble here. You didn't have much control. So the function of this binding kind of worked, but not really. So to give the skier more control, they came up with the bear trap. You have metal connection, metal heels cable around the heel, lock it in, and so your foot is locked in. So the function has gone from kind of holding your foot to the ski to actually giving you solid contact with the ski and control. So the function of the binding worked very well, but it created another problem, and that was it held your foot like a bear trap. So the injury rate in the 1930s was about 10%. And it's awful hard to build a sport when you've got an injury rate of 10%. Common injury being a broken leg. So then they came up with the idea of we need to have a release binding. Holds the boot into the ski. So let's set this up. You've got a little metal clip here. So this goes in.
Is this the Star one?
This is the US Star, 1956. It's in or out, right? There's no in between. The term is elasticity. This offers no elasticity, but it does release. So it's a huge improvement. And this design of, a ball fitting into a socket is a very common design. It was used by a lot.
That's the first one, the Star? It's like the first release one?
No, the Hjalmar Vaughn's Safe Ski
Oh yeah, Safe Ski.
was the first one. Let's see how far it moves. Before you get the
Yeah,
actual
that's
release.
amazing. You have to release this here.
You can still ski that one.
Yeah.
You just
This
push
is
it down.
this is really a functional and durability.
So you move that according to that. It's like
No, this tells you where it's set now.
right. But if I'm
Okay.
239 pounds, I got to be on 13.
Yep.
And move that little plastic thing.
Nope,
No.
it's right here. Okay, let's take a look at this.
See this? What is the ring doing?
That's just telling you where it's set.
Right.
But it doesn't tell. It doesn't give you the ability to change the setting. It just tells you where it is.
I'm confused.
Well, see, let's take this apart. So you got a spring inside this housing. Just take the housing off. So this is mounted on the ski, right? See that base? And then you've got this that fits in that little notch right there. Okay? So the question is how compressed is the spring? So if we put it back together, and we barely turn that in, you've got a very soft binding. Push that. See? All right, now, we tighten it up.
Ooh, got yourself.
Try that now.
Yeah.
A lot harder, right?
Yeah.
Because we're compressing that spring inside the housing. So now, put it back in.
What? Oh, it's there. It's lined up.
Okay, now
no.
release it. There. Now we look at the number here, and it's gone from 8 to